How to fix Grindr chat crash when opening conversations. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the chat crashing when opening conversations. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Grindr app is crashing whenever you're opening a certain conversation with somebody, what we can do is, first of all, we can start by force quitting the app. So if the app is open in the background, just force close it from the recent menu. Ensure first of all that you have a stable internet connection as well. Now if you're using an Android, what you can do is long press the Grindr app icon, tap on the eye icon, which is going to take you to the app info page over here. Then when you come over here, you can just tap on this storage option. From storage, tap the clear cache button. And when you come back, you'll also find the force stop button on Android. So tap on it to force stop it. If you're using iPhone, just offload the application. Now, when you've done that, also give your phone a simple restart, because sometimes that could also be the primary cause. Just restart your device and see if that helps you. And last but not the least, open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Grindr app and check if the Grindr app has an update available. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.